Good afternoon. It's Terry Travels the Universe. I picked up a couple little cool things today, and this one especially. I've got a 1957 Zippo Slim. Looks like a nice little pattern on there. It's blank. Pinstripe on the back. Let's take a look. Hinge is in pretty good shape. Well, that wick looks horrible. Let's take a look at the insert here. What do we got? If you can see that, it's got the patent numbers, the 25179 patent number on there. Looks like it's the correct insert, hollow rivet. Let's take her apart real quick. See what we have here. All right. And we got a flint that's not obstructed. Excellent. That's a plus. That's a big plus. All right, let's get this little piece of cotton out of here, or this felt. Don't look too bad. Oh, look at this. I do believe we have an original wick. Huh. Interesting. But that's okay, because it's getting re-wicked anyway. Let's get all this yick out of here. This cotton is contaminated. It is just nasty. My other little tool here, and try to get this out of here. I hate this part. Usually a couple of taps will bring it down, and it didn't. Figures. Oh, you little. Okay, this one's going to be stubborn. Now it can stay there. I'm not going to argue with it today. All right, well, let's see. We got one brand new wick here. Let's open this up. Oop. Get you out of there. There we go. Alrighty, we got us a brand new wick. Alright, we'll do our handy dandy little spiral here. Some people like to do 2. I like to do 3. Or at least try to do 3 if I'm not incompetent today. Put that up here. There we go. Alright. Let's get this where it's not going to be such a pain in the keister to get in. Alrighty. And we have contact. Excellent. There we go. All right. This is garbage. We'll do our usual packing method here, except this time I've got plain old cotton. Some will argue and say that it's the worst thing. Some will say it's adequate. I have not had a problem using regular cotton as long as I stretch it out. There we go. Pull that back a little bit. Probably won't need as much. There we go. Get that. Come here. Get in there. Now Mr. Wick is packed in there real nice on 2 sides. And I'll fold you over. Give me a little remainder here. And I think we're good here on this cotton. Just got to be careful around that flint tube. You do not want to jack that up. No, sir. You jack that up, you just ruined a good insert. Alrighty. Okay, get you all in there. I guess we'll use, no, we're not going to use that flint. I'm going to toss that one. I'm going to use a flint. I'm going to use a Zippo flint. Those red ones, for some odd reason, are notorious for jamming up flint tubes. Alright, get that in there. Let's readjust this wick a little bit. There they are. Hold on 1 minute. I'm going to do a little trim up here. I don't have the fancy scissors that Zippo Fanatic 77 Outdoors has, or Dependable Flame. Alright, let's see if she'll spark. Oh yeah, she's got spark. Let's juice her up here a little bit and see what we got. The old trusty Zippo fluid. Put a little in there. Okay. Put that back in, and yeah, some people yell this ain't good, but I always prime the wick a little bit. And we have contact. There we go. And there she is, a 1957 Zippo Slim. That's not the only goodie I got today. Got me one of these little lipstick lighters. I don't know if this, oh, look at that. Yeah, I had to do just very little to this, just kind of give it a wipe down with Dependable Flame's trusty old disinfectant wipe. It works well. I got to give him credit. And I got this little advertising lighter. I've got, judging by the, let it focus here, phone number on that is LO customer cost 0172, so that's got to be from the 50s or 60s for H. Sperber and Son. It's got a couple nicks and dings on it, but not too bad. These little lipstick lighters. Let's take a look. Oh, and we have contact with that one. And before I set myself on fire, then like I said, these just needed a quick cleanup and a wick trim. Look at that. This one's kind of neat. It's like nice little copper, you know, the finish is worn off, a little copper lipstick tube. It's pretty cool. This one had a dent in it, but oh well. For what I paid for it, it's actually a real good deal. But it's pretty nifty little lighter. Kind of digging these lipstick tubes. It came with that little Slim. But yeah, I'm kind of digging these. Let's see if you're still gonna light. Yes, sir. Alrighty, well, I brought up all the stuff to clean and all that, and I didn't really have to. Alright, well, it's Terry Travels the Universe, and we'll catch you the next time. I got a couple more things coming into mail, and I'll be making a couple more videos. I might even change it up and do a video on guitar maintenance, just to throw a little wrench in the works. Who knows? I'm a little odd like that. But we'll catch you next time, and we'll see you around.